What's the meaning of cherry tree? Cherry tree. Cherry tree.
Cherry tree. Cherry tree. A cherry tree is a fruit-bearing tree that belongs to the genus Prunus. The tree produces small, edible cherries that are typically bright red or dark purple. Cherry trees are often grown for their ornamental value, as their beautiful flowers are a popular sight in springtime. In Japanese culture, cherry blossom season is celebrated with hanami, or flower viewing parties, to appreciate their delicate beauty. Additionally, cherry wood is prized for its durability and attractive grain pattern, making it a popular choice for furniture. Overall, the cherry tree is a symbol of beauty, fruitfulness, and versatility.